Are we recording? Okay, ready? Go! And hello fellow wine lover! Welcome to Napa Valley Wine Academy's online Wine 101 course. My name is Jacqueline Mish and I'm the lead Wine 101 educator for Napa Valley Wine Academy. I will be your main point of contact throughout this entire learning experience. Don't forget to take your exam. Literally, hang it on your fridge, hang it on your wall, to show your friends at work. It's 30 multiple choice questions and you'll need an 80% to pass. If you have any questions at all, please drop them in the community page forum located on your online Wine Academy portal, and check back for monthly updates for our Zoom meetings on the webinar lesson page. There will be a link to join that Zoom meeting there, and that's where I'll list all of the info about our meetings, so the discussion questions. The good thing about wine is that there is seriously always more to learn. So if you've enjoyed this class, hold on to that inspiration, sign up for another class, and never stop learning about wine. Cheers. It's 30 minutes.